first thing you want to do is avoid trading at highly volatile markets, like right now, 12 p.m. So I don't even trade at this time. Hardly any. So I'm tracking what times you trade, so you can avoid trading at those times is key. You do better on some pairs than others. Of course, I've blurred my account several times, but it's okay. We're all learning. So from this point to now, I have 80% win rate from 46 till now. I have an 80% win rate, but from the beginning, which is K5, I have 71% rate. So getting better and better. And so far I've taken 934 trades. They say it takes about 10,000 repetitions before you can master something.
And enter the trade. Alright, let's go ahead and go back to trading here. So I've got...
you want to watch this video.
We're at the 27, 26, 25, and that's green. I'm going to go ahead and enter. And I did flip around. It went against me there, but that's okay. Alright, so that was a loss. Let's go over here.
Notice how calm a market is. You must be calm, cool, and collected when you trade. A lot of times these are not even working at this time, so this always use spreadsheets. Track the times that we trade. I've grown my account to 1 million several times, and then I just try new strategies and I blow it, but we're just testing common points of rejection, mark them. These are points where we can buy or sell. Well, fast 5 is a 25-second mark, whatever candle it is, red or green. I'm sure you know about that, but sometimes I trade a reversal. 1 minute 30-second mark is a good continuation. These are all my strategies, and I'm trying to speak fast so I can make this video short. There's another video in Mark's section of the course where one of the members has his RSI rejection strategy. You should watch that one too. Sometimes I increase the expiry time. Concentrate. Find out what is your current win rate. That's very important to know. Concentrate on the skill, not the money. And then today I overtrade. I should just stay with my 5% daily goal, and then so 5% is more than enough, guys. In less than a year, just on 5%. You see that? So don't get carried up on the big wins. It's the percentage of daily growth. And I track the volatility of different pairs. I know at this time at noon it's very volatile, so I know I could avoid trading. I tried different strategies and tested to see what best strategy works during periods of high volatility. RSI, which is here. Will it reject or bounce off this point? We don't know. Okay, it went through RSI. And then it's going to go for fake out. Okay. Whatever. So these are common points of rejection. Every time the candles have been coming to this point, they've been rejecting. So price has been rejecting. So the common points of rejection. 25. I was a little late. Major changes to the 5 seconds. Changes to 5 seconds. So now this represents our middle RSI. So we also buy or sell when stochastic and RSI are overbought and oversold. So the price has reached this point many times. It has rejected. Right. But you see, at noon it does the opposite of what you want to do. It does the opposite. Why did I make that trade? That was at the 0.17 second mark. That's what we did right there. So I look at both the screens, this one, I look at this one, look at all. 17 seconds. Is it going to reverse or go? What it's going to do? Notice that this is another point of rejection, candles. Let's see if what AI can do on the 17 second. So what is it going to do at the 17 second mark? Look at this. Approaching the middle of the RSI. 17 seconds. What is it going to do? Point right here. Now, so many green candles in a row, so you know a red one is going to be coming soon. 25. Well, I don't know. That was based on experience that it passes through. That was the time of the pass through of the middle of the RSI. Now for fun, let's go and see what AI can do on the real account. So you don't have to use split screen. You can use one screen. just using. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to just do AI. At the 30-second mark. Oh, how's it? Is that AI trader or not? This AI has won. Alright. See how volatile it is. So this time is not a good time to trade at all. But when it's not a good time to trade, it's a good time for AI. I've noticed that. So now I've made a 50% increase on my account. So you don't want to look at this and think, oh, it's only a little bit of money, it's only 35. Focus on the percentage and the journey. So let's see. From this point, 234. So I haven't gone in a negative in about 2 weeks. You can see 234 to 105.76. So if I would have put $1,000 in, my account would be 46.200. Now, let's say I actually blow my account. Would I just quit? No. I mean, next time I'll actually put more. If I can do this, let's say I put $500 and I blow it. Maybe 3 or 4 times. But one time that I achieve 2 weeks of this same success, I would have had half of this money. Alright? That's more than $20,000. Almost 25, less than 25,000. You think about it. Is it worth it? Yes. Let's go back to trading. Sorry, my rambling. first thing we do, draw our zone. No, draw or lines or zones, whatever. Common points of rejection. This is a common point of rejection right here. And then I like the middle of RSI. Where is it? Somewhere around here, I think. I don't know. It constantly changes the middle of RSI, so you constantly have to change the number. Where was I hope my video is clear. I'm sorry I'm rambling. This number doesn't have to be accurate. It's a little less than what I have, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. And right now I'm writing these numbers down on this little magnetic pad, sketch pad, or I can just delete it, the electronic kids check, so that I don't have to keep going back and forth. What it is, 1.31. So now I won't even trade. I've got 50% increase, so there's no need for me to keep trading, but I'm just trading for you, for this purpose of this video. And in my mind, I'm looking to see, is it going to reverse or continue on the 25-second mark? So we're not going to use the fast 5. You see, what about the 17-second mark? What is it doing? That's what I'm thinking. It continues on the 17-second. What about here? They're oversold both, but it's continuing. What is it doing? Is it going to reverse? Red, green, red. Sometimes it does a red, green, red pattern. Red, green, red. If it does alternating colors, that's a good time. Sometimes I guess also. 25. So I lost that one. You see that? So the next one. That's why I actually don't trade on this time. I'm just doing this for the video, but that's the whole reason why I don't trade. It's just an important one to know not to trade. 240. Let's see what AR can do. At the beginning of the second this candle, I'm going to do AI, which I learned from Mark Trades, by the way. What does it do? Continue. Oh, see, reverses on the 17-second. It's going to the middle of the side. Is it going to reject it on this point, or yes, it rejected it. And then is it going to pass through? 25-minute mark. What is it going to do? This is a major point of rejection. See if it passed through on the 17-second. just a game. I mean, take it seriously, but not. I mean, 6.66. So, 27. I got 90. What am I looking for? Is Bryce? Is it maybe Bryce is going to reject at this point, or is it going to reject at this point? I don't know. I have no idea. Was it? Hmm. Six. I think I'm the 25 is going to reverse. I could be wrong. I don't know. Shoot, I was wrong. The 17 mark, maybe. 17-second mark. Oh, so I was wrong. So now we know at noon it does the opposite of what it normally does. So now we can put that in our arsenal, you see. Now it's extremely volatile. Look at this. Looks crazy. I'm just guessing at this point. I don't even know. At the 17-second point, we're going to buy. But it does the opposite at noon at this time. So now I know. I can't remember that. Just don't know. Yeah, it's too late. It's a 17-minute mark. Now we're gonna buy instead of it. It's not gonna reverse. Oh, it is gonna reverse. You see. 25-second mark. So what did we learn? We learned not to trade at this time at all. But let's do some AI, don't we? Because AI seems to work well when there's volatility like this. at the start of this candle. Or maybe it turns out to 9. Yeah. sorry to keep this video long and boring, but well, one thing we learned not to trade at this time is a crazy time. So now price keeps rejecting on this area. I might do a buy or sell. I don't know. I just don't want to trade at this time. I saw it because I noticed price kept rejecting at this point. That's why I saw it at this point. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Sorry to make this video long and boring. Hopefully you can understand me.